Let's take a look at these examples where we're subtracting fractions. So when we added them, we saw that we needed to get the denominators the same because we want to add, just like when we add and subtract like terms, we want to get like terms in a way when we work with the fractions. So like terms in this case would be similar pieces if I wanted to add them together. So here I have sevenths and there I have 21ths, or however you would want to say that. And I want to get this the same. Now, if usually I just take the one times the other one, but here I can see 7 can nicely go into 21. So all I need to do with this 3 over 7 is I multiply the top and bottom with 3. I have to multiply with the same number because multiplying with a 3 over 3 is the same as multiplying with a 1. So the fraction doesn't change. It just gets written in a different form. So the 3 times 3 will give me the 9. And 3 times 7 gives me 21. And then minus the 2 over 21. And then we have 9 minus 2. So that just becomes 7. And very importantly, it's 21ths. So it's like saying an apple minus an apple, or like 10 apples or 9 apples minus 2 apples. It does stay apples, so this has to stay 21. The 21 minus 21 doesn't just give me 0. So we have 7 over 21, and then that is actually just, it can be simplified further because 7 can go in itself once and into 21 3 times. So we have a third as our answer. Next one, so we have a 4 and a 5. So the lowest common multiple between 4 and 5 is, I'm just going to get it by multiplying them with each other, and that's going to be 20. So I'm going to multiply this side with 5 times a 5, and then 3 times 5 is going to give me 15, and 5 times 4 will give me 20. And then here I'm going to multiply top and bottom with a 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. And now I have kind of like pieces or like fractions, and I have 15 minus 4, and that's going to be 11 over 20. It can't be simplified any further, so that's good enough. Next one, there's going to be a bit of working out, and this is going to be in a non-calculator paper, so they're going to expect you to be able to do this. So 4 times 8 is 32. We want to make these improper fractions first. You can probably get away with saying, okay, 4 minus 2, and then getting the 2, and then doing an 8 minus 5 over 6. You might get away with that, but sometimes it overcomplicates it if you take a bigger fraction, or you have a smaller fraction here minus a bigger one there. And this is kind of the case, what's happening here. So I would rather go just doing a mixed fraction and a mixed fraction, and let's just take it from there. Well, I mean an improper fraction, sorry, mixed number to an improper fraction. So to get that, we have to take the 4 times the 8, which is 32, and we plus 1, so we have 33 over 8. And here we multiply the 2 and the 6 to get 12, and 12 plus 5 is going to be 17 over 6. Now we can put it over, we can multiply the 8 and the 6, but there's a smaller common, or the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6 is going to be 24. So I want to take 8 to 24. So there I'm going to multiply by 3 at the top and the bottom. So just put my equal signs in here. 3 times 33 is going to be 99, and 3 times 8 is going to be 24. The minus sign just comes down, and this side I'm going to multiply by, no, not 8, multiply by 4, top and bottom. Okay, so the bottom part is easy. 6 times 4 is 24. So for 17 times 4, 10 times 4 is 40, and 7 times 4 is 28. So that will just be 68. 68. And now we just have to minus. So 99 minus 68, you can do it without your calculator. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, so we get 31 over 24. We did start with mixed numbers, so I'm going to end with mixed numbers. I know that's going to be 1, and there's going to be, well, 24 can go into 31 once, and what's left is 7 over 24, and 7 doesn't go into 24, so this is going to be our final answer.